All right, folks, what we got here is a Ford Fusion with a shift problem. When you put it in drive, sometimes it doesn't feel like it goes in drive, it goes in neutral. I'm sure it's the same when you put it in park, reverse, or neutral. But this is the shift cable. I'm going to point to you the shift cable itself. This is the end of the shift cable that connects to the transmission. You see that little tab over there? There's supposed to be a rubber bushing in there so that this holds here nice and steady so it doesn't move. See it? So I'm going to show you the operation of it, and I'm going to explain it to you. All right. So I got the camera on, and I'm going to go inside, and I'm going to talk to you while you watch that. Okay. All right. Let's go in. Just turn the key on without starting it. All right. So by looking at it, you can see it right there. I'm going to put it in drive, and you're going to see it move. Ready? You see how it moves a little bit before it pulls that little prong? There's your problem. I'm going to put it in neutral. I put it in reverse. I'm going to put it in park. All right, let me close this door. All right, same thing, right? Reverse. Neutral. Drive. All right, I'm going to put it all the way in park in one shot. Ready? See how the shifter moves? All right, it shouldn't have that play in there because the bushing is missing. All right, so it moves at like a 1/4 inch before it actually pulls on that little tang. So I'm going to go from park straight to drive. Watch this. Okay? So eventually what happens is that the transmission does not go into gear. You have a problem putting it in park, reverse, neutral, or drive. Or sometimes when you're driving, all of a sudden it'll just put itself into neutral, whatever. Or that cable piece will fall right off. And then you can't put it in gear at all. All right? And I'll put it back in park. So when to change that bushing, all right? Hardest part is to get to it. So I can tell you. All right? So let's get out. And I'll show you the bushing. Got it from Ford. This is the part number. KF6C7K340A. All right? It's a little tiny bushing. Pushes into the cable. And then the cable assembly snaps onto that little tang. All right? That's it. There's a lot of videos on there on how to get to it and how to do it. It's pretty easy. Like I said, this piece is just going to push into that little rectangle piece, and then the whole rectangle piece is going to snap onto that little stud. All right? Hardest part is getting to it, people. See all these hoses over there? And this one here is a hard pipe. If this was a hose, it'll open up and we'll have a lot more room. But it's not. All right? So, have fun doing it, but that's what it is. All right? So you don't have to buy a whole shift cable, which is about $125. And of course, it goes inside and you got to remove the console. There's a whole big thing about it. All right? Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao. All right, so there it is with the bushing all installed. All right? That'll solve your shift problem, people. Just push it right in. But I had to take the whole the air cleaner, in order to get to it, because it's impossible to get to it. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.